Hey guys, it is Wednesday here in the Philippines, and I am going to give you a sneak peek of some of the M2 square bodies I've acquired, and I'm going to send them back to the States. They will be for sale come the end of March, beginning of April, whenever I return. These are pretty rare nowadays. They only made 3,600 of these, and they were released in 2018. And they're getting pretty hard to find in the States. Fortunately for me, they were not so desirable here in the Philippines, so there's a lot of like NOS here. So I was able to acquire 6. As I said, I can get more, so depending on the demand I have for them, I may pick up some more. These are going to run about 35 bucks also. Same thing as like a lot of the stuff that I have. Roughly the prices of my things are about 30 to 35 bucks. With these M2 trucks, the Mini GT, regular GTRs that I have, a big amount of them are 30 to 35 each. Then my Zamac Melee Mustangs are also 35 each, but if you buy 2 of them, can do 2 for 60. So you'll see the prices, and I'll go over that more in detail when I'm packing the DHL box. Well, anyways, going back to this truck, as I said, this is one of the first ever releases from M2 of the square body. The one that was the store release, like the Walmart release, was also an Edelbrock, but it had stock looking wheels on it, and it was in white with a red roof, I believe. Then there were the 2 Mijo releases, which was this Edelbrock one, and then the black and white one that was a 73. This is a 79. I think I can still get some of the black and white variants too, but the Edelbrock seemed to be a little bit more desirable and harder to find. That's why I picked up these guys instead of the black and white one at the moment. So anyways, these are in a very cool clamshell. M2 and Mijo only did this for the first 4 releases of the square body. And it was the Edelbrock, the black and white, the Moon Eyes, and the Goodyear. They came in this reusable clamshell with the round sticker as the sill, and that was it. These are the same round stickers that you see on the M2 boxes, and a couple of these actually have come loose just from the age and such. The adhesive has kind of let go. I don't know if it was an adverse reaction to the plastic, the adhesive just doesn't stick well, or if it was just the heat and humidity here. But anyways, I'll show you what's really sweet about these is that they open just like a Hot Wheels Protecto Pack. Very cool, and these are very hard to find. They did not use these very often. I don't know why. They should have continued using these forever, in my opinion. And another thing that's cool with these, but I think they even started doing this with the Walmart clamshell releases, is that they come with the acrylic dome. It used to be when M2 first started out, the only way you would get the full acrylic display case, acrylic dome with the base was in the box. The blister pack only had the base, and that was it. No acrylic dome. But this comes with the acrylic dome, and it also comes with a reusable clamshell. So this is a very sweet package setup on these guys. And I won't pull this off the base. We'll just kind of go over it here and take a look at him. I'll zoom in a little bit. So, as you can see, it's done in a red and silver two-tone with a black stripe breaking up the two-tone. And it has a very sweet-looking chrome 5-spoke wheel. The rear ones are a deep dish, while the fronts are skinny, so it has that Pro Street tubbed look to it. And then the door handles are detailed. The emblem on the fender is detailed. Detailed marker lights on the rear. You have red acrylic tail light lenses, chrome bumper, and then the Chevrolet emblem across the tailgate. And you can see the bed has the raised floor and the big wheel tubs to clear the stance and the size of those big meats on the back. You can kind of see in there how wide those back tires are. Pretty sweet. You have your Edelbrock sticker across the rear window. Your vent windows, pretty cool. Detailed trim around the windshield. And then the Edelbrock equipped across the hood, detailed grille with acrylic headlight lenses, the gold bow tie, and the front bumper. Opening hood, and it has an LS style injected engine in it, which is kind of a little bit hard to see here, but it is in there. So, anyways, really, really sweet piece. And as I said, there's only 3,600 of these out there, and they are about 5 years old now. So these are getting very scarce and hard to find nowadays, guys. So if you want one, let me know in the comments. As I said, they will be in the States and available by the end of March, beginning of April. Please message me on IG if you need one. You can leave the comment here, but I will do my best to go back and look at the comments. Best thing to do, though, to guarantee your spot is message me on IG, and then I will try to save these items for you and such. But I will do a video once I get back to the States that I'm there, and we'll unbox the DHL box together, just like we're going to pack it together come next week. So anyways, that's it for the Edelbrock M2 trucks that we will have available to you. And then we will be back again this weekend, maybe to pack the DHL box. But I have a couple of items to show you in detail before we pack it. That is the metallic brown GTR, the Pandem GTR, and then, I think we already looked at the Pandem. Yeah, so we've done that one. No, we haven't, actually. So we'll see the Pandem, the metallic brown GTR Mini GT, and then I believe that will be about it. And then we can pack the DHL box and get it shipped to the States. It will arrive a few weeks before I do, actually. So the cars will be there long before me. But anyways, we'll pack that box together. I'll show you these other GTRs, and we'll get these things out to you guys, hopefully, right around Easter time. So, thanks for watching, guys. And we will be back again tomorrow, I think. So, thanks.